How to fix apps not showing on Google Play Store. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Play Store. Since I do not have the problem, but if you do, you can follow my steps and your problem will be fixed. So if in this apps section, your apps is not appearing, what you will have to do is tap on the profile icon from your top right corner. Then go to settings. After that, go to about and then make sure you have the latest version of Play Store. If not, simply tap on Place Update Play Store and get the latest version. After that, tap and hold Play Store and then go to App Info. Now go to its storage section and then tap on Clear Cache and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.